Okay, so now we will study. Okay. So now we will study cell, the structural unit of life. Now we are going to study about the structural unit of life, about cell. Okay, the structural unit of life, as we have discussed. Okay, as we have studied or discussed, cells vary in their number, shape, and size. However, the basic structural components are same. Every part of plant and animal's body is made up of cells. If you observe a small portion of leaf, a small portion of a leaf only, a root tip, stem, etc., they are made up of cells. Here we have been given, did you know? Did you know is important also. Cell size is measured in unit called micron. So this is the symbol of micron. We were saying unit, so we were saying wrongly. This symbol is known as micron. What will you say this symbol?
Micron.
Micron. So here it was written, yes, micron. So here the sizes, just just now we have studied 3 to 5 micron. So this is the symbol of micron. Wherever you will see this symbol, so you have to pronounce it as micron. What will you say? Micron.
Micron.
And 1 micron is equal to 1 by 1,000th of millimeter. My God. The 100,000, the 1,000th part of the millimeter. 1 millimeter is too small. And the thousandth parts of the millimeter is called micron, means too small, which you cannot see, which you will never see with your open eyes. You cannot see. Millimeter is, 1 millimeter, how much it will come? 1 millimeter means too small. Okay. And the thousandth parts of the millimeter is called micron. It is very, very important. You underline this one. This is the very, very important line. You underline. This is very, very important. Did you know is very, very important. You underline. Now we have one activity. In this activity, what we will come to know, to observe cells in an onion peel. So in the onion peel means प्याज के छिलके का सेल कैसे देखेंगे? Materials you required: a small portion of onion leaf, forceps, dilute iodine solution, glass slide, then cover slip and microscope. These things you will get in the laboratory, in bio lab. These things you will get. Only onion you can get in your home. घर में सिर्फ तुमको प्याज मिलेगा, बाकी ये सारा चीज डाइल्यूट आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन, ग्लास स्लाइड, cover slip and microscope, these things you will get in school library, in bio lab. If teacher will take you, then you can see. Otherwise, with the help of internet, I can make you understand. So procedure, what will you do? The procedure: take a small portion of fleshy onion leaf. With the help of the forceps, pull out a thin lining from its inner surface. Then number 2, cut a small square of this peel leaf, place it on glass slide, add a drop of dilute iodine solution to it with the help of a dropper. Gently put the cover slip on it. Ensure to avoid the formation of air bubbles inside the cover slip. Observe the slide under the microscope. Observation: by doing these things, what will you come to know? You will come to know that rectangular shaped cells are observed. Means, what is the shape of the onion peel? The rectangular shape. What is the shape of onion peel? Rectangular shape. Here it is given.
Rectangular shape.
Yeah, here it is given. And in the cell of onion peel, the nucleus and cytoplasm also. Inference, the fleshy onion leaves are made up of cells. So the fleshy onion peels are made up of cells. So if you will get these kind of things, these objects, then you can see by yourself. Now open your book at page number 44.
Super.
Now another activity we have here, to observe cells in the inner surface of human cheek. Human cheek means in the gall. गाल के अंदर किस तरह का सेल है? See the cell of cheek. गाल का सेल देखो इस तरह से. Materials required: a blunt toothpick, then methylene blue solution, glass slide, cover slip, and microscope. Take a blunt toothpick, gently scrape the inner slide of your cheek. Transfer these scraping onto glass slide and add a drop of methylene blue to it. Gently put the cover slip on it and observe it under the microscope. Observation: cheek cells are present in the smear from cheeks. Inference: the human cheeks are made up of cells. So we'll come to know in this way that human cheeks are also made up of cells. So if you will get some medical students, or if you will visit in those places, then you can request the doctors, they will show you. Now we have the cell, the functional unit of life. What is the functional work of the cell? Now we'll come to know here. All the life processes performed by our body organs are due to the activity of cells present in our body. So whatever activity we are performing, just because of the cell. Table 3.2 shows some examples in plants and animals where cell acts as functional unit of our life. So plants and animal cells and their functions are given here. In plants, absorption of water and minerals, then preparation of food. In plant cells, prepare the food and absorb waters and minerals. Root cells of plants absorb water and minerals from the soil. If root dies, the plant will also dry up. Then green pigment chlorophyll, which is called chlorophyll, containing cells utilize the energy of the sun, carbon dioxide, and water to prepare food for plants. Photosynthesis. Then movement and in animals, it helps. What are the functions of the cells? The movement happens because of the cell. Digestion happens just because of the cell. A release of energy also happens just because of cells. The contraction and expansion of muscle cells help to move the body, of fold and unfold the body parts. Cells of various glands secrete digestive enzymes that help to digest the food. Then all the energy needed by our body to perform various activities inside the body of organisms is derived from the oxidation of food inside the cell's respiration. Now we have checkpoint. In checkpoint, we have to check our vehicle here. On the road, there is checkpoint. So on the book also we have, in the book we have checkpoint. Tell me the first answer. Dash is the basic unit of life.
Cell.
Very good. All the dash performed by our body organs are due to dash of cells present in our body. All the life processes performed. In second one, write life processes and due to the activity of cells. Activity. In second one, activity. In the third, every part of plants and animals' body is made up of cells. Okay, correct? The bacterial cell is the smallest cell which measures सी द साइज ऑफ बैक्टीरिया, बैक्टीरिया का साइज देखो कितना दिया हुआ, 0.2 माइक्रोन टू 0.5 माइक्रोन। बैक्टीरिया इतना छोटा होता है, 0.2 माइक्रोन से 0.5 माइक्रोन, मतलब इतना छोटा कि इसको देखने के लिए माइक्रोस्कोप भी पावरफुल चाहिए।
So some wires are coming.
From Faisal House.
No, sir.
Then
I think so your study is only coming.
from my house, no, there is no voice is coming. My sister is just brooming the floor, brooming the floor. वो झाड़ू लगा रही है, वही का आवाज आता होगा।
Dad told me why.
Now she has completed. So basic structure of the cell. We see diversity in cells in terms of number, shape, and size of cells. However, the basic structure of a cell remains same. The prime components of cells are cell membrane. Prime components of cells मतलब सेल का मेन पार्ट क्या है? अब सेल का भी मेन पार्ट है, जैसे कि जस्ट एज वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग, तो हम लोग के शरीर का मेन पार्ट क्या है भाई? आंख है, देख सकते हैं, हाथ है कुछ पकड़ने के लिए, और पैर है और मुंह है। कम से कम ये 4-5 चीजें मेन पार्ट है ना।
Yes.
In the
sir.
same way, cell also have some basic components, the prime components. Those names are cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, and cell organelles. तो ये ऑब्जेक्टिव में क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि what are the prime components of cells? What are the prime components are cells? The prime components cells are following. Number 1, cell membrane. Number 2, nucleus. Number 3, cytoplasm. And number 4, cell organelles. What are the prime components of cells? The prime components of cells are cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, and cell organelles. Underline karo yahan. Come on, underline these things. Very important. The prime component from here, the prime components of cells are cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, and cell organelles. Let us study about let us study each one of them one by one. Number 1 is cell membrane. Cell membrane, it forms an outer boundary of the cell. This is a selectively preamble membrane. It allows only certain substances to enter and move out of the cell. It is known as plasma membrane. So cell membrane also known as plasma membrane in plant cells. It is known as plasma membrane in plant cell. Underline this one also. Cell membrane in plant cells known as plasma membrane. The plasma membrane is enclosed by an outermost protective layer called cell wall. What is cell wall? Answer is given here. The plasma membrane is enclosed by an outermost protective layer is called cell wall. Underline cell wall also. What is cell wall? What is plasma membrane? That also you can get the question, some questions in your exam. The cell membrane is elastic and thus provides stretch ability to the cell to some extent. Now we have cell wall. Only plant and bacterial cells possess cell wall. See, one line is important. Only plant and bacterial cells. सिर्फ plant और bacterial cells में ही cell wall होता है और किसी में नहीं होता. So underline this one also. Only plant and bacterial cells possesses cell wall. It is an outermost protective layer of cell. It is a non-living structure. The cell wall is made up of cellulose. This is also important. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cell wall किसका बना होता है भाई? तो cellulose का. It gives shape and rigidity to the cell. Cell wall allows substances in a solution to enter the cell freely. Thus, it is a high preamble layer. अब ये एक टेबल है, cell wall and cell membrane. What are the differences between cell wall and cell membrane? Cell wall और cell membrane में difference क्या? Cell wall, it is an outer protective layer of cell, and cell membrane, it is the outer covering of the protoplasm of cell. It is a non-living structure, it is a living structure. Cell wall non-living structure है, but cell membrane living structure. It is freely permeable layer and it is selectively permeable layer. It provides rigidity and shape to the cell, and it provides stretch ability to the cell. It is found only in plant and bacterial cells, and it is found both animal and plant cells. Cell wall सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्लांट और बैक्टीरिया में होता है, और सेल मेम्ब्रेन जो है जानवर और प्लांट दोनों में होता है. Now we have science group. Science group. G.E. Purkinje. The name of the scientist are some, very strange. इसका नाम देखो कितना strange है. J.E. Purkinje. J.E. Purkinje. Okay. और J.E. Purkinje. Correct pronunciation इसका क्या है देखना होगा. J.E. Purkinje. J.E. Jan, oh, full form of J is also written. Jan Evangelista Purkian. Purkian. So Purkinje नहीं पढ़ना है, उसे Purkian पढ़ना है. क्या पढ़ना है? Purkian. हाँ, J.E. Purkian. J.E. Purkian. 1787 to 1869 was a Czech. CZECH. CZEC को नहीं पढ़ना है, इसे पढ़ना है Czech.
So your voice is not.
I am telling that you have to read it as Czech psychologist. Czech psychologist. J.E. Purkian was Czech psychologist. Voice is not coming, but you are listening properly now.
So your voice is not coming clearly.
Now are you listening? Now are you listening? Are you listening now?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Om Kumar, are you listening now?
So your voice.
Okay. Now are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sometimes it happens because I am also getting the messages that yours, that one, the old message that your network is unstable, like that I'm getting the message, but no problem. We'll continue this one. J.E. Purkian was a Czech psychologist. You have to read it as Czech psychologist. One of his best known discoveries is of large nerve cells with many branch extensions found in the cortex of cerebellum. Cerebellum in our head. Cerebellum mind का 3 पार्ट होता है. cerebellum इस तरह से कुछ करके होता है, तो वो cortex of the cerebellum of brain, मतलब दिमाग का. While studying the young animal embryos, he coined the term protoplasm. तो protoplasm शब्द इन्होंने ही लाया है. Protoplasm is colorless, jelly-like, viscous substance. The protoplasm, which is present in the nucleus, denser part is called nucleoplasm. The protoplasm which surrounds the nucleus is called cytoplasm, semi-solid jelly-like part. So this is also important. Now we have nucleus. What is nucleus? Nucleus is a small spherical mass present in the center of the cytoplasm. साइटोप्लाज्म एक छोटा सा बिंदु टाइप का होता है, उसे ही न्यूक्लियस कहते हैं. इट हैज, इसका फिगर दिया हुआ 3.5 में, तो फिगर हम लोग पीछे देखेंगे. It has a surrounding membrane called nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane is filled with a dense nucleoplasm. It contains certain thread-like structures called chromatin fibers, chromatin fibers, chromatin fibers during cell, page number 46. So division, these fibers become thick and are called chromosomes. This is called chromosomes. So chromosomes carry genes, Genes, genes you have to say. Chromosomes carries genes which contain hereditary information of the organism. So chromosome is also important. You can see the picture of nucleus given here. This is called nucleus. This is, chromosome or nucleus picture is given here. यहाँ न्यूक्लियस एक छोटा सा, मतलब साइटोप्लाज्म है, ये साइटोप्लाज्म के अंदर छोटा सा पॉइंट है, ये न्यूक्लियस है. So in humans, there are 23 pairs of chromosomes in each cell. My God, in human beings, there are 23 cells in each cell. हर एक सेल में 23 जोड़ा जो है इसका होता है क्या, क्रोमोसोम्स का. So there are 23 pairs of chromosomes in each cell. एक सेल में 23 क्रोमोसोम्स का जोड़ा, ये अंडरलाइन कर लो, इंपॉर्टेंट है. In humans, there are 23 pairs of chromosomes in each cell. The number of chromosomes is fixed in every species. In every species, function, nucleus regulate and coordinate various life activities in a cell. It plays an important role in cell division. It also contains hereditary information of an organism in genes. ये न्यूक्लियस का फंक्शन दिया हुआ, न्यूक्लियस काम क्या करता है, यहाँ देखो. Nucleus regulates and coordinates various life activities in a cell. It plays an important role in cell division. It also contains hereditary information of an organism in genes. Now we have cytoplasm. It is a semi-liquid substance of a cell which is enclosed by a cell membrane. With the help of the much advanced microscope, the electron microscope, it was observed that many tiny structures are embedded in the cytoplasm. These are called cell organelles. मतलब साइटोप्लाज्म में और भी छोटा छोटा चीज होता है जिसे cell organelles कहते हैं. It was observed that many tiny structures are embedded in cytoplasm. ढेर सारा tiny structure है साइटोप्लाज्म में जिसे सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स कहते हैं. दे आर नॉट विजिबल बाय कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप. तो इसको कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप से भी नहीं देख सकते. यू कैन नॉट सी. फॉर दैट मैनी सेलुलर प्रोसेसेस टेक प्लेस विद इन साइटोप्लाज्म. विद द हेल्प ऑफ these cell organelles, these structures produce many substances such as enzymes, hormones, protein, etc. तो उसके लिए पावरफुल माइक्रोस्कोप चाहिए. Cell organelles. The following are some of the main cell organelles present in the cytoplasm. Cell organelles. The following are some of the main cell organelles. तो कुछ cell organelles है यहाँ पर दिया हुआ जो साइटोप्लाज्म के अंदर होता है. साइटोप्लाज्म के अंदर है इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिक्यूलम. इंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिक्यूलम, अब इसको पढ़ते हैं पहले. Endoplasmic reticulum is an irregular network of fine tubules. These tubular structures are bounded by membrane and interconnected with each other. Many times these tubules join. थोड़ा बड़ा करने दो, प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. Let me make it a little bit zoom. Okay. Many times these tubular joins the nuclear membrane at one end and to the plasma membrane on the other end, depending on the absence or presence of ribosomes on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum. They can be smooth endoplasmic reticulum, those without ribosomes on surface, or rough endoplasmic reticulum, those with ribosomes on the surface. Figure 3.6. Here it is given endoplasmic reticulum. This is the nuclear membrane, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, then ribosome, and rough endoplasmic reticulum. So this is the whole picture of endoplasmic reticulum. Sometimes you can get the question like that: draw the picture of endoplasmic reticulum, draw the picture of amoeba, draw the picture of cell. In this way you can get question also. Now let us study about the functions. What are the functions? इसका काम क्या है? It serves as pathway of the distribution of metals within a cell and between two cells. It also provides internal support of the cell. शाह फैसल वीडियो ऑन करो. हम बक रहे हैं, भूख रहे हैं, वो कहाँ भाग गए? शाह फैसल
Yes, sir.
वीडियो ऑन
Sir,
करो.
sometimes your voice is not coming clear.
No problem. You will get the video. You will get the video. Sometimes when I remove the microphone, that's why. With the distance, you are not able to listen. Ribosomes, they are very minute structures. Minute structure means बहुत छोटा. Minute structures scattered in cytoplasm are also attached to the surface of endoplasmic reticulum. They do not possess a membrane. Function, they help in the synthesis of proteins. Now we are going to study about mitochondria. What is it? Mitochondria. Let us study.
Mitochondria.
Yes, let us study about mitochondria. Mitochondria occur in the form of small and spherical rod-shaped structures. They range from few hundreds to few lakhs in number in the cytoplasm of a single cell. Come to at page number 47. A mitochondria consists of an outer membrane and an inner membrane. The inner membrane is folded inward to form a finger-like structure called cristae or cristae, like that. So you can see mitochondrion, the figure of mitochondria. Then we have functions. What are the work? They help in cellular respiration. They oxidize food by utilizing oxygen and release energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate, in short ATP. Adenosine triphosphate, ATP. Thus, they are also known as powerhouse of the cell. So they are also known as ATP is the powerhouse of the cell. तो ATP का फुल फॉर्म को अंडरलाइन करो, ये एग्जाम में आ सकता है. अंडरलाइन adenosine triphosphate. ATP का फुल फॉर्म आ सकता है. Thus they are also known as powerhouses of the cell. एग्जाम में ये भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. What are the powerhouse of the cells? What are the powerhouses of cell? तो क्या बोलोगे? ATP is the powerhouse of cell. क्या बोलोगे आंसर? ATP is the powerhouse of
ATP is the power of cell.
Now we have Golgi bodies. These are a membrane bound stacks of thin flattened and parallel pouches called cisternae. These cisternae are not connected to each other. They are found in cytoplasm near the nucleus, that is next to the endoplasmic reticulum. In plant cells, Golgi bodies are smaller and are more in number. They are also called dicytosomes. Golgi bodies are absent in bacteria, certain large and mature sperm cells and red blood cells. Now we will study 10 minutes more. 10 मिनट और पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है? Now we are going to study about lysosome. What is lysosome? Chromosome. About chromosome we have studied. Now we have lysosomes. These are single membrane bound small sac-like structures. They are present in cytoplasm. They contain enzymes that help in the digestion of various materials. Under some circumstances, lysosomes release enzymes that digest other cell organelles. Thus, they are also known as suicide bag of the cell. So, see, ये एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. What are the suicide bag of the cell? The lysosome is the suicide bag of the cell. Suicide bag of cell किसे कहते हैं? Suicide bag of cells किसे कहते हैं? Lysosome को किसे कहते हैं?
Lysosome को.
Yes, तो अंडरलाइन करो इसे. Thus they are also known as suicide bag of the cell. Lysosome को suicide bag भी बोलते हैं सेल के लिए. Mostly lysosomes are found in animal cells but may also be present in plant cells. Functions काम क्या है? Lysosome help in the digestion of food within the cell. They protect the body from bacteria and other foreign bodies such as germs that enters in the cell. They also help in the removal of old worn out cell organelles. Old worn out cell organelles. So lysosome का example यहाँ दिया गया. This is a picture of lysosome. Now we have centrosome. Now what is centrosome? A centrosome is an oval or rounded non-membrane organelle. This cell organelle is found in animal cells only. It is present near the cell nucleus in the cytoplasm. It consists of 2-minute granules called centrioles. Functions काम क्या है? It initiates and regulates cell divisions in animal cells. Page number 48. Now we have plastids. Plastids are found in plant cells only. Plastids जो है सिर्फ plant cell में ही मिलता है, तो underline कर लो इसे. Plastids are found in plant cells only. These are found in cytoplasm in the form of oval spherical So plastids are found in the plant cells only. These are found in cytoplasm in the form of oval, spherical, or disc-shaped structure. The organelle manufactures and stores pigments. There are 3 types of plastids. Plastids 3 तरह का होता है. How many kinds of plastids are there? 3 kinds. Chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Underline करो. There are 3 kinds of plastids. There are 3 kinds of plastids: chromoplast, chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast. Chloroplast के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. Chloroplasts contain green colored pigment called chlorophyll. They are also known as kitchen of the cell. तो chlorophyll को kitchen of the cell भी कहते हैं. Underline कर सकते हो. As they trap the solar energy of the sun and convert it into chemical energy of food of our plants during photosynthesis. They are responsible for imparting green color to leaf and other part of the plant where they are found structurally. Chloroplast consists of 2 regions, the grana and the stroma. Now we have chromoplasts. Chromoplasts contain colored pigments except green. They are found in fruits and petals of flowers. They are responsible for imparting color such as red, yellow, or orange. Leucoplasts lack any pigment, so they are colorless plastids. They help in storing food prepared by plants in the form of starch, fats, and proteins. Now we have vacuoles. What is vacuoles? Let us study. Vacuoles are the fluid-filled cavities in the cytoplasm. Vacuoles क्या है? इसका एक लाइन में आंसर है. Vacuoles are the. What is it? What is it? क्या बोल? लगता है कि एयरटेल का डाटा खत्म हो रहा है, जियो का लगाना होगा. I think Airtel is losing its data. I have to switch to Jio. And batteries cells are also dead, are going to dead. बैटरी का भी चार्ज एकदम खत्म हो रहा है. कोई बात नहीं, और हम लोग 10 मिनट पढ़ेंगे फिर खत्म ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगा। 10 मिनट नहीं, 4 मिनट,
सर
4 मिनट है।
सर
हाँ,
तो वन बॉयज कॉलिंग मी एंड टेलिंग सर को बोलो ना कि हमको भी सर ट्यूशन पढ़ाएंगे।
नाम क्या है?
आदित्य।
तो उसको ऐसा करना कि कल स्कूल जाएंगे तो हमसे बात कराना, और अभी जो लिंक हम तुमको भेजेंगे इस 2 वीडियो का, तो वो लिंक उसको दे देना कि आज बायोलॉजी पढ़ाया हुआ, वो देख लेगा किस तरह से हुआ है पढ़ाई। ठीक है?
यस सर।
तो चलो हम लोग आज यहाँ तक ही रखते हैं, और कल हम लोग आगे पढ़ करके सारा क्वेश्चन आंसर, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, ट्रू फॉल्स, मैच द फॉलोइंग, टोटल एक बार रिवीजन करेंगे, क्योंकि ये हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम है तो रिवीजन इज मस्ट। यू हैव टू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ रिवीजन 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 सो दैट यू कैन गेट फर्स्ट डिवीजन। इतना सारा करो रिवीजन कि सारे बच्चे आए फर्स्ट डिवीजन, समझ गए?
यस सर।
तो आज के लिए इतना ही। कल हम लोग वैक्यूल्स पढ़ेंगे, इसके बाद एक पेज और है, उसके बाद ये खत्म, ये चैप्टर। तो सेल्स बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट था, सेल्स के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ लिए, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट इंपॉर्टेंट सारा बात सब पढ़े। तो उसको एक बार रिवीजन कर लेना, देख लेना, और फिर उसके बाद जैसे ही क्वेश्चन आंसर वाले पेज में आएंगे, देखना माइंड ऑटोमेटिकली काम करेगा। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में, ट्रू फॉल्स में, मैच द फॉलोइंग में, वन वर्ड आंसर में, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर में, ये सब में खटाखट माइंड काम करेगा। तो इसके लिए हम लोग बायोलॉजी का कल डिसाइड करेंगे। कल क्या है देखते हैं रूटीन में, टाइम टेबल में। तुम लोगों के पास भी टाइम टेबल है ना?
यस सर।
तो कल है तुम लोगों का मंडे फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री। कल क्या है?
फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री।
ठीक है। और ट्यूसडे को ठीक नेक्स्ट डे ही बायोलॉजी है, मतलब परसों फिर बायोलॉजी है, तो परसों हम बायोलॉजी यहाँ से कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ठीक है?
यस सर।
और कल 5 बजे क्लास का टाइमिंग जाएगा। जब जब छुट्टी रहेगा तो 6 बजे, 6 बजे घर में रहते हैं। ठीक है?
यस सर।
तो कल का टाइमिंग 5 बजे का होगा, और ट्रेन में ही पढ़ाएंगे। अगर भीड़ बहुत कम रहेगा तो लैपटॉप से पढ़ाएंगे और रिकॉर्डिंग मिलेगा, और भीड़ अगर बहुत ज्यादा रहेगा तो मोबाइल से पढ़ाएंगे। लेकिन 5 बजे पक्का टाइम चालू हो जाएगा, और पक्का 1 घंटे में पहुंचाती है ट्रेन। और हम लोगों का 40-45 मिनट्स का क्लास ही होता है, तो हम लोगों के लिए इनफ। एक चारी आते आते एक क्लास हो जाता है। 5 बजे पक्का भागलपुर से शुरू, और एक चारी में एंड। ठीक है?
लेकिन सर वो जो लड़का है वो क्लास नहीं कर पाएगा सुबह का, क्योंकि वो 5 बजे ही निकलता है घर से स्कूल जाने के लिए।
पहले कल उससे मिलाना ना, फिर उसका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे। और अभी का जो वीडियो का जो लिंक सेंड करेंगे तुम दोनों को, तो वो लिंक उसको
यस
सेंड
सर।
कर देना। ठीक है?
यस सर।
क्योंकि पहले बात करना जरूरी है उसके बाद, क्योंकि तुम लोग देखते ही हो कि किस तरह से हम सब कुछ पूरा कर रहे हैं। अगर कभी ऐसा होगा कि नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम काम नहीं कर रहा, तो हम खुद से मैथ सॉल्व करेंगे और उसका वीडियो बनाकर खुद से भेज देंगे, ताकि कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं हो उसमें। पूरा 1 से लेकर के एंड तक जितना भी प्रॉब्लम होगा उसको खुद से सॉल्व कर देंगे। ठीक है?
यस सर।
तो सारा चीज हम सोच करके रखे हुए हैं, पूरा आइडिया। और कहीं भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, कुछ भी बेहिचक पूछ सकते हैं, कहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। आज के लिए इतना ही। बाय एवरीवन।
बाय सर। थैंक यू सर।
बोल बहुत ही स्टूडेंट रहे हैं, बोल बहुत ही पेरेंट्स रहे हैं, लेकिन पहले हम बात करेंगे अब वो पैसा दे सकता है कि नहीं टाइम पर, उसका भी तो डिस्कस करना है। मान लो कोई ज्वाइन हो गया, पैसा ही नहीं देगा, तो वो सब ठीक नहीं बात है ना। हम एक को ही पढ़ाएंगे, लेकिन अच्छे से पढ़ाएंगे, और जो टाइम पर पेमेंट करेगा तभी ना हम मेहनत करेंगे। अब जैसे अभी हम 40-40, 1 घंटा 20 मिनट से जैसे हम बोल रहे हैं, बक रहे हैं, अब कोई उसको ध्यान नहीं देगा, उसको फॉलो नहीं करेगा तो फायदा। इसलिए हम सबको नहीं डाल रहे हैं। अच्छा ठीक है, हम लोग कल मिलते हैं। कल अब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री। कल फिजिक्स में कौन सा चैप्टर पढ़ना है और केमिस्ट्री में, वो मुझे